Brous with 911 Sewer Specialist, and today we are going to demonstrate some descaling. First off, let's start off with our equipment. We're going to be using our Mini Miller Picote with our 4-inch chains attached to it. And we are going to be running this through our 4-inch diameter cast iron pipe, which is about 10 years old. Now we're going to go ahead and reel it out. Get our chains in there. And once it's reached the other end, you can go ahead and stop and pull your chains back out. Alright, so now that we've done our first pass with our Picote, we're going to go ahead and take a look at our pipe. We see the loose scale build up at the bottom, which can be easily pushed out or flushed out with some water. But so far it looks nice and clean. Alright, just as a disclaimer, these chains are not meant to break the pipe. They're meant to descale the pipe, simply exposing the actual cast iron underneath all the scale buildup, which could expose some cracks. So I'm going to go ahead and do another run through on a particular spot, just to show that it won't damage the pipe. Pipe is still in good condition, no cracks. The scale is completely removed off the sides of the pipe. This concludes our descaling demonstration. My name is Kensuke Brous with 911 Sewer Specialist, and you can contact us at 424-24-FLUSH or 911 Sewer Specialist /contact us. Thank you very much.